So students, next let us come to number 2.5, number 4. Okay, number 4. Let us come to number 4. Number 4 question is expand each of the following using suitable entities. So we will expand them. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Okay, x plus 2y, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So x square plus 2y whole square plus 4z whole square 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 4z plus 2 into 4z into x. So this will be x square plus 4y square plus 16z square. Okay, 4 square 16, no? So 2 to the 4, 4xy, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16, 16yz plus 2 to the 8, 8zx. Okay, so this one, what identity you are using here? X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, so this is the formula we are using here to expand. Okay, we have been asked to expand each of the following using identities. So x plus 2y plus 4z whole square we can write. So first I will write x square plus y square plus z square. This is x, this is x, this is y. 2y is completely y, okay, and 4z is completely z, like this. X plus y plus z whole square. So x plus 2y plus 4z whole square will become, first I will write for x, I will write x square plus for 2y whole square plus 4z whole square. After that, what is the in the formula? What do we have? 2xy, isn't it? So 2 into x into y, 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 4z plus 2 into 4z into x. Okay, so for x square I will write x square only. 2y whole square, students. For x square I will write x square. 2y whole square will become 4y square. 4z whole square will become 2y whole square, students. 2 square is 4 and y square. 4 square is 16 and z square. And 2 to the 4, 4xy, and 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16yz, and 2 4 the 8, 8zx. Okay, just to multiply. Okay, just this one and this one is absolutely same. Form is same, isn't it? So I will directly break in this formula. Okay. So students, let us take one more example. Okay, one more sum let us do from here. Number 4. 3a minus 7b minus 3 whole square. Now if negative sign is there, same formula will be used, but if negative sign is there, then what? How to manage this? Okay, let us see. 3a plus minus 7b plus minus c whole square. So this will be once more minus 7b whole square plus minus c square plus 2 into 3a into minus 7b plus 2 into minus 7b into minus c plus 2 into minus c into 3a. Okay, so this will become 9a square plus 49b square plus c square. Okay, plus 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 7 are 42. So this will be minus 42 AB plus 2 7 are 14 minus minus plus 14 BC and minus 2 3 are 6 6C. So students, here also same identity we will be using. So the question is like this: 3a minus 7b minus c. 3a, okay, 3a minus 7b minus c whole square. So this is once more x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, so how will you make this form? First you keep it in second bracket. So 3a I will add 3 only. This minus I will take common. Okay, this minus I will take inside the bracket. Not common, actually inside the bracket. Okay, this minus I will take inside the bracket. So if minus is not there, then what will be there? Plus. This minus also I will take inside the bracket. I will put plus. Now you see here x plus y plus z. This is x and this is y and this is z. X plus y plus z whole square. So x plus y plus z whole square. First we will write x square plus y square plus z square. So this is x, so write x square plus this is y, so write y square plus z. This is write z square plus what is the formula? 2xy, isn't it? 2xy plus 2 into x means 3a into y means 7b plus 2 into yz, isn't it? 2 into 2yz, isn't it? So 2 into y, this is y and this is z, right? Plus 2zx, 2 into z, this is z and this is x. Okay? So 3a whole square, friends, 3a whole square will become 3 square is how much? 3 square is 9a square minus 7 whole square. 7 square will become how much, friends? Minus sign is there inside the bracket. Inside the bracket minus sign is there. If minus sign is there, if you square it, it will become plus, isn't it? So 7 square will become, 7 square means, students, 7 into 7 49 d square minus c whole square. Minus sign is there, if you square it, it will become plus c square. And now you see here 2 into 3 is how much, students? 2 into 3 is 6, 6 7 are 42. 42 and minus plus this is minus 42 minus 42 AB. Minus minus plus 7 into 2 is how much? 14 BC. And this one minus plus minus 2 into 3 6 CA. Is it okay? Understood? Let us see number 5, students. Let us see number 5. Also one sum we will see here from here. 4x square plus 4x square plus 9y square, 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Okay, so okay, no problem. What is the question? 4x square is here. Okay, 4x square, okay, 4x square 9y square 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. We have to factorize this. Okay, so let us factorize this. 2x whole square 3y whole square. Okay, so wait, so before xy plus sign is x. Okay, whole square minus okay into 2x 3y plus 2 into 3y into minus 4z plus 2 into minus 4z 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. So this will be 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Okay. So, students, number 5, we are asked to factorize. Okay, the question is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So, when I saw 3 square terms are there, see 1, 2, 3, 3 square terms are there. Along with that, xy, yz, and zx also is visible, isn't it? Then only I thought that I will use this formula. This one, x plus y plus z. Whole square will be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. When I saw that first 3 terms are square terms, 4x square, 9y square and 16z square, along with that xy, yz and zx is also there. So I thought that I will use this formula, x plus y plus z whole square. Okay, so 4x square is here. So now you see, students, first after looking at such a sum, if negative sign is also there, you see here also one negative sign, here also one negative sign is there. So before xy, positive sign is there. So before xy, I saw that before 12xy, before this xy sign, xy is there, no, see, before this term 12xy, positive sign is there. I thought that means x and y both are positive. X and y both positive I considered. And this minus sign will come for which term then? This minus term will come for z. Understood? If x and y both are positive, if x and y, see here all the terms x, y, z all are positive. Therefore, before all 2xy, 2yz and 2zx we got positive sign, isn't it? But here we come to, here we can observe that before xy positive sign is there. So I thought that x and y both are positive. So if x and y both are positive, for which term this negative sign is coming? It is coming for z. And for this side, here also a negative sign is there, it is also coming because of z only. Okay, so that's why you see here, in place of 4x square, I wrote 2x whole square, then for 9y square I wrote 3y whole square, then for 16z square I wrote minus 4z whole square. Minus 4z whole square, students, minus 4z whole square if you do, that means minus 4z into minus 4z, isn't it? Minus 4z into minus 4z, isn't it? So minus it will become plus, 4 4 is 16 z square, isn't it? Minus it will be plus because both the terms are multiplied, isn't it? Minus 4z into minus 4z, minus plus, 4 4 is 16 z into z square. So that's why in place of 4x square, I wrote 2x whole square, 9y square I wrote 3y whole square, and in place of 16z square I wrote minus 4z whole square. So this is x square plus y square plus z square, x square plus y square plus z square. After that, what should I write? 2xy, isn't it? How will I write? I will just observe here. This is x, this is y, and this is z. So I will write 2xy. 2 into, this is x, so I write x here, into y, plus 2yz. 2 into, this is y, students, this is y, and this is z. So see, 2 into yz. And 2zx, 2 into z into x. Okay. So now you see, students, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. See, x square plus y square, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to x plus y plus z whole square, isn't it? So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx will become x plus y plus z whole square. So inside the bracket I will write 2xy, then I will write plus 3y, then this bracket I will open, minus plus it will become minus 4z. So this will be whole square. Understood? So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. It is now you see, students, simply if you write, it must match. Even if when you are writing this thing, you must calculate and see that these 3 terms and these 3 are matching or not. See, 2 2s are 4. See here, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12xy. Here 12xy is there. Next you see 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, and minus plus minus plus it will be minus, isn't it? So 2 3 are 6, 6 4 are 24, 24 yz, matching exactly. And this one also you see minus plus it will be minus, 2 4 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 16 xz, matching, no? Absolutely matching. So then you can write easily x plus y plus z whole square. Just open this bracket, this will be minus, then 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. So 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Is it okay? So students, next let us come to number 6. Let us come to number 6. Okay. Write the following cubes in expanded form. Write the following cubes in expanded form. 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay. 2x plus 1 whole cube. So this will be 2x plus 1 whole cube. We can write it this way. 2x whole cube plus 3 into 2x square into 1 plus 3 into 2x into 1 square. Okay. Plus 1 cube. So 2x whole cube will become 8x cube. 8x cube, okay. 8x cube. 3 into 4x square plus 6x plus 1. So 8x cube plus 3 4 is 12, 12x square plus 6x plus 1. So this one, students, this is of the form A, or x plus y whole cube, x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Okay, of this form. Now you see 2x plus 1 whole cube, students. 2x plus 1 whole cube. This is just like x plus y whole cube, isn't it? X plus y whole cube and 2x plus 1 whole cube. Same, no? So x plus y whole cube. X plus y whole cube. How do you write actually? First you will write x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. So this is x and this is y here. First I will write x cube. First you have to write x cube, isn't it? First you have to write x cube. So this is x and this is y. So write x cube, 2x whole cube plus 3x square y. 3 into x square. This is x, so x square into y plus 3xy square. 3xy square. First 3x square y, isn't it? 3 into x square into y plus 3xy square. 3 into x into y square plus y cube, that is 1 cube. So 2x whole cube, students. 2x whole cube will become 2x into 2x into 2x. 2x whole cube is 2x whole cube is what? 2x into 2x into 2x, that is 8x cube, isn't it? So right here 8x cube and 2x whole square. 2x whole square will become what? 4x square. 2x whole square means 2x into 2x, it will become 4x square. 3 to the 6, so 6x plus 1. 3 4 the 12, 12x square. So 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1 is the answer. Okay? So students, next number 6, number 2, 2a minus 3b whole cube. Okay, 2a minus 3b, 2a minus 3b whole cube. Okay, we have to expand this. So write the following cubes in expanded form. Okay, we have to expand. So let us see, students. So this is x cube minus 3x square into y, x square into y plus 3x into y square minus 3b. So this will be 8a cube, friends. 2 into 2 into 2, isn't it? So 3 into 2a whole square means what? 4a square 4 square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 9 b square 27 aq. So 8 aq, 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 4s are students, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36 a square b plus 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 2s are, see here, 3 into 2 6, 6 9s are 54 a b square minus 27. Okay, so students, 2a minus 3b whole cube, 2a minus 3b whole cube, we will use this formula x minus y whole cube. X minus y whole cube, what was the formula? X cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube, isn't it? This is the formula. No, we had proved this formula before only, isn't it? So in the algebraic identities, I had already proved this formulas for you all, isn't it? Please see carefully. Okay, so 2a minus 3b whole cube, 2a minus 3b whole cube means what? Like just like x minus y whole cube. So x minus y whole cube, first you will write what? First you will write x cube. So write 2a whole cube, isn't it? So first you will write x cube. So write 2a whole cube, isn't it? So this one is 2, this one is x, and this one is y. So x minus y whole cube, first I will write x cube. So this is x, so write x cube minus 3x square y minus 3 into x square, that means 2a whole square, into y, that means 3b, plus 3xy square, 3 into x means 2a, into y square means 3b whole square, minus y cube, that means 3b whole cube. So 2a whole cube means, students, 2a whole cube means what? 2a into 2a into 2a, so write 8a cube, and 2a whole square will become 4a square into 3b, 3 into 2a into 3b whole square will become 9b square, and 3b whole cube will be 3b into 3b into 3b, that means 27b cube. So 8a cube we will write here, 8a cube, and 3 4s are, students, 3 into 4, see here carefully. Okay, 3 into 4 12, 12 into 3 36 a square b, is it okay? And now you see here, 3 2s are 6, 6 9s are 54. Okay, a b square minus 27b cube, is it okay? Okay, students. So students, this much only for today. I will be giving continuously, I will be giving videos for all of you. Okay, so study properly. After we finish chapter 2, chapter 3 is a very small chapter, and then we will move to chapter 4. Okay, so study properly and note these things carefully in your class book copy. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.